cylinder, line drainage, calculating stats. Invasion has started. Beginning attacking. Technology being discovered. Upgrading designs. Sending more tripods and building bringing cylinders towards Europe. Sending more tripods and factories here to rise and sending cylinders to other countries, borders and valleys. Humans are funding back with their events built